Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So in the previous video, when we are trying to submit the data, not submitting the data, we are trying to get the post details. We are getting the CORS error. Okay. So what is this CORS error? It is expecting that access control allow origin header should be present in the response headers. Why? Because we are trying to make a cross origin request. So the same origin policy will not allow this one. So we need to add the cross origin. That means cross origin resource sharing. So we need to have a permission. For this one, we need to add this response header. How we can add it? So this one is we can't do anything from the front end side. So this one is need to be done from the back end side. So from the server side, we need to do it. How we can do it is, let's go to the node thing. So this is our server. And here I am creating a new file. So first I am creating a custom CORS and we'll use the plugin. Okay, so here I will be using a new file, CORS.js file. Okay, so this is our CORS.js file, and here I will be having CORS resolver, and this one will take request comma response comma next. So this is our what I can say middleware. What I will try to do, CORS resolver is there, request response and next. So here we need to add response.set header. Set header and access control allow origin. So we need to first we will allow for all the things, so we'll make it publicly available, and we need to do the next so that it will pass to the next one. So now we have set the header, and here we need to add it. So where we need to add it, first we need to import it. Constant CORS resolver is equal to require of API/CORS, and we forgot here we need to export it. Module.exports is equal to CORS resolver. Okay, we have exported it. Fine. Now let's go into this one, app.js, and here before I after code listening, so I am using CORS resolver. That's it. So finish. So we have used this CORS resolver, and this one is adding a header access control allow origin start. Now let's restart this one. Already started. Let's try to refresh this page, and here this time I will try to get a post. See, immediately we got the data. So now here we got the access. So here this is a simple CORS request. First of all, we are trying to make a get request, and we are not passing any custom headers, and here we are able to see access control allow origin star. So we are able to see it. Now what I want to do, if you want to allow only for a particular or thing only means our domain only means, you can add it here. 127.0.1 colon 5500. So this one also works, not a problem. So here if I try to get the data, get post, now again we are able to get the data, and here the custom header is 127.0.0.1 5500. Now for example, if I change it to 5501, some other URL, now here if you try to see here get post, now we'll get the CORS error. See why? Because so this domain is not matching with the origin which we are trying to send it. Because of that reason, we are getting the error. So now this is one way. So this is how we will be using. So now let's try to do it. But we have a library or node module which is available. So CORS node, if you try to use it, so there is a library available, CORS npm. So in our npmjs.com in the package directory, and if you try to open, so we can use this package. It's a node package for providing express middleware that can be used to enable CORS with various operations. So you can have everything here. So app.use of CORS, and if you want, you will be able to see origin, for which origin you want to see. Legacy browsers, this one all. So here you can use the options, whitelist of options. So you can have a whitelist here, whitelist index of like this you can do. So if you are having multiple domains like this, and like this you'll be having different types. So here, so pre-flight request, enabling the pre-flight request. So here you'll be able to have everything, so asynchronous, everything. So different types you are having. So this will give you a lot of features for you. Methods, what are the methods available? Pre-flight, continue, false, option, success. So like this you'll be having. So let's try to use this one. Let's go into here. Let's close this one all. And what I want to do is I want to install the CORS. So here I can use npm install CORS. So I am installing the CORS. It's a package. So it has been successfully installed. So for this one, what I need to do here, I need to remove constant CORS is equal to require of CORS. Okay, so we have enabled the CORS. So now what I need to do is I need to use the middleware. Same thing here, CORS. And in this one, we need to pass the object. So that is nothing but first one is the origin, and we can add a star. That's it. I'm using this CORS, but I'm not using the one require of CORS. So now let's try to see the output. Oh, this problem came here. So the package manager which I have added is outside, I think. Okay, let's try to delete this one all. And this package.json also I will delete it. Okay, so what I want to do is, so here we need to go to the server and install the CORS. So in the server we need to install it, right? So now it will take some time to install. Yeah, CORS has been installed. Fine. So now let's try to use it. CORS origin star. So I will restart this server in case any problem comes. So now we have restarted it, and now let's go to into this one, not here, this one. Let's refresh it and use the get post. See, we are able to get the output. So access control Leela origin is true. Now if I want to make it as something like http one, oh, what is this happening? http 127.0.1 colon 5501. So I will change this one. Let's see whether you will be able to get that data or not. So here if I click on get, we are getting a CORS error, right? So now if I try to make it as 0, so now we will be able to get the CORS request. So here, now let's remove it. Yeah, now we are able to get the data. So this is how we'll be using through the package. Or otherwise, if you want to enable it, write the custom CORS error means you can use it like that, custom CORS resolver, how we have written. So just we need to send a response header, access control Leela origin to start. And this one is we are using the node package manager, so that we can make use of so many lot of options will be available in this package manager, and we can make use of that one. So this is how we are making. So now we are able to successfully make the get request, right? So we have successfully made the get request. We are able to see these all the data. When I am trying to get the post request, so when I am trying to get the post, so we are able to get this one all. So as you know that this one, why we are not getting a pre-flight request is, so this one is a simple CORS request. So we are just calling get and the content type and the request address, we are not passing anything. Okay, so that is the reason we are able to get we are able to make a CORS request. So if anything, if you are making any headers or anything custom headers we are passing means, then a pre-flight request is made. We'll try to see those things also. Hope you understood about this one. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. I will try to give the reply. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.